Hey guys, it's Elle from Weet, and today we're going to talk about how I use Notion for some different work from home tasks. So first things first, we're going to talk about how I make my task list. So just a quick overview, I have an ongoing tasks section for stuff that really never goes away, even once I complete it. I have a to-do section for stuff that does go away when I'm done completing it. And then I actually move it when I'm done over into this done column. I'm going to move that back because it's not done yet. And then I even have a little low priority section over here for when I have free time. So I'm going to actually show you guys how I make this task list. So if I hit this little plus button, I go down here where it says database. There's all sorts of different databases I can make. I'm going to choose board. And then it automatically sets your stuff up kind of like how we saw initially. So these are called cards. So I can just double click on them to change them. So down here, I can create a bulleted list. I can create a to-do list, all sorts of things. I can link to other pages. These cards can actually get really comprehensive. And then you can name these right here. So not started, I don't have that on mine. But if that's how you like to work, you can make that too. Again, here's a reminder of how I did mine: ongoing, to do, done, and low priority. So it's really just whatever works for you. And I live by this thing. So I just started it. You can see I have 50 tasks done. It goes pretty far down here. Only 6 things lined up on my to-do. And yeah, like I said, I use this every day. So I hope you guys like it too. Thank you so much.